and welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video we are going to understand how you can automatically post your Facebook post as a new tweet on your X account, that is formerly Twitter. So now here I've already built an automation where I've already connected these applications using an automation software. And now firstly in this video I'm going to show you that how actually this automation works for me. So for that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to create a new post on my Facebook page. So here on my screen you can see my brand Facebook page, that is Natural Glow Skincare, and here I'm going to share a new post. So for that I'm going to write the caption first. So this is the caption with 2 hashtags over here, and then I'm going to select a random media from the files. So this is the media, and then we're going to click on this next. Then we're going to post this particular post. And here you can see we have successfully created a new post on our Facebook page. And now let's go and check our X account. Alright, so here you can see we have successfully posted a new tweet where we have posted the same caption with the text in the end as shop@naturalglowskincare.com. Alright, so this is the similar caption that I've posted on my Facebook page over here with the image. Alright, so this was the working of this amazing automation, and now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your own business using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect on your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see 2 options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now here before we move forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community as well. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button. Then here for the workflow builder you can see 2 options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says automatically share Facebook post on X Twitter in real time, and then he's asking us to select the folder. So here by clicking on this drop down menu you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this case I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are 2 most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are posting new post on Facebook page. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook pages and my app event as new post. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Facebook pages account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Facebook account in the same browser, or else if you're building a new connection, then it's going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then here is asking us for the Facebook page. So here I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Natural Glow Skincare. So I'm going to select my Facebook page as Natural Glow Skincare. And then here, after selecting the Facebook page, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here, before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in a simple format, that means in an organized format. But here, if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an error format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so now here, after turning it on, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response, that means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission, and for that we are going to create a new post on our Facebook page. So for that, let me take you back to my Facebook page, and now here we are going to create a new Facebook post. Alright, so here we are going to write the caption first. So this is the caption, and then I'm going to select a random media. Alright, so this is the random media, and here you can see we have successfully added both the details. Then we're going to click on this next, and then we're going to share this particular post. And here you can see we have successfully shared a new post on our Facebook page with the same caption, and here you can see the new image. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have instantly received a response over here where we have received all the details such as page name. Here you can see the link of the post, also you can see the caption and some other details as well. So with this we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new post detail through our Facebook page, then automatically I want to share the same post on my X account, that is on my Twitter account. So for that we are going to add an action step over here. Then I'm going to select my action application as X, that is formerly Twitter. Then you're going to select the app event as create tweet. Then you're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your X account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with X. And here to connect the application, it is asking for the ID and the client secret. So now here to get the details, we are going to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And it will take you to a forum window where you can see the entire documentation of how to get the client ID and the secret. So now here to get these details, you need to access your developer portal, and for that I'm going to click on this particular link available over here in the forum window. And now you can see it has directed us to the developer platform of my X account. So here you can see I've already been logged in over here, so I'm going to click on this developer portal. And from here we are going to select project and apps, and from here I'm going to select my application. Then we are going to click on the keys and token. So here you can see the client ID and the client secret. So now I'm going to copy both of these details and paste in my Pabbly's workflow. Alright, so now after adding the details, I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see it is asking me to authorize the app, so I'm going to authorize my app over here, and you can see we are now successfully connected. So again it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my X account. Alright, so let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the message. So now here I need to enter the message that I want to post as a new tweet on my X account. So now here instead of entering the message manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step, that means here I'm going to step previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new post from our feed. Mapping data means insert data from previous step, that means here I'm going to step previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that we're going to receive a new post from our Facebook page, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the message I'm going to map the caption that I have received from my Facebook page. So this is the caption, and here this code tweet ID and direct message deep link is not required field, so I'm going to leave it blank. And now here in the end of the message I'm going to add my shop link. Alright, so we are going to add the text as shop at, and here I'm going to add my link, that is www.naturalglowskincare.com. Alright, so here I've written this text manually because here I want this text to remain same with all my tweets. Alright, so this is the message, and then here after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully shared a new tweet on our X account. So let's go and check it, and here I'm going to refresh it. And now we have successfully posted a new tweet on our X account with the same caption and the text #shop ad, and this is our link. Alright, so with this we have successfully set up entire automation. And now let me summarize this whole video for you. So we have selected our trigger as Facebook pages and our action as X account. So that now we're going to post a new post on our Facebook page, then automatically that post will be shared as a new tweet on our X account as well. Alright, so these were the steps to how to automatically share Facebook post on X in real time. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.